Alright, so today we're installing this solar attic vent. I wish I would have showed you guys before we put it down, but we cut a hole in there and then we sealed the bottom with ice and water shield, and then we caulked it, and then we laid this vent down. So if you look right here, we have caulking all the way around the bottom, and we have this stuff, ice and water shield, coming down over the shingle. But now we're about to go ahead and put this flashing in here. Put caulking around here. We'll put that flashing in, and then we're going to put another layer of ice and water over the whole thing. And the reason for doing that is right now, if any water gets underneath here, it should not go inside, but if it found a hole, it could still possibly go inside. When we do this, we go all the way up to the edge here, seal everything off. If water comes in, it's not even going to go underneath to this layer. So we're doing like a double prevention here to make sure that the water does not get on the inside. And that's how you install a solar attic vent on a kill core metal roof. This is a metal shingle that we're installing on this roof. It's till core, and this would work with any kind of metal roof, really, or even shingle roof. But you always want to do 2 layers of protection on a situation like this, just so that the water does not get underneath and get on the inside and start leaking. So I hope this demonstration helps here. This is Enos with Wise Construction and Solar.